of the oldest lighthouse in Greece, still active, and it's one of the best places if you want to see the sunset from Greece.
Sunset?
If you want, yeah, it's one of the best places.
Okay.
And from here start Caldera and ends in Nia Village at the corner. Yeah, all this caldera is 24 kilometers. It's one of the biggest caldera in the world. So before the first eruption, this island used to be around like a circle. After the first big eruption, sank into the sea and separated in 5 parts. Now we have the main island Santorini. The second part is this, the White Island. This is private property, belongs from the government. Don't leave anyone in this island. The third part is the next one, is Thirasia. In Thirasia lives 300 locals. Most of them are fishermen and farmers. And doesn't have hotels or hospitals, nothing on this island. So the people have come to the main island.
But they are living in this island.
Sorry?
They are living in this island.
300 locals. And the fourth and the fifth part is the 2 volcanic islands in the front of us. In the left side is the old volcano, it's not active anymore, and something starts to blow up some plants. And to the right side is the active volcano. Sometimes when the wind is calm, you can see the smoke from the top. And if you walk up there, you feel the heat from the volcano. The first eruption was 3,500 years before Christ, and the last eruption was in 1952. And a lot of people died because it's 4 o'clock early in the morning and everybody sleeps. So the houses collapsed from the earthquake. The most in Fira and Ia. About the name. Santorini is not the real name. The official name is Thira. From Greek mythology, king of Sparta Theros, when he occupied the island, gave his name and we call it Thira. The first name of this island is Strongili. Strongili means in Greek means circular, like the island before the first eruption. About the color, everything is white and blue. This is because our flag, the Greek flag, is white and blue. And if you visit any island around here in Cyclades, like Paros, Naxos, Mykonos, Folegandros, Ios, and of course Santorini, it's all the same, like here. What else? All this area is Akrotiri. In the highest point you see in Caldera is Imerovigli. Next to Imerovigli in the middle is Stefani, and to the right side is the Thira, the capital city. In the corner is Nia Village, the new floor. Thank you very much for your attention. Now we are going to the active volcano and we stop for the first swimming.